Performance assessments provide educators with an alternative method to assess students' knowledge and abilities. In this class, the students will be completing 3 performance-based assessments in order to demonstrate their knowledge of course material. Please understand that these performance-based assessments can be altered in order to assure validity and reliability for every student, including those with individual differences, needs, and abilities. The first performance assessment the students will complete is an oral presentation on the topic of the water cycle. This presentation allows for an authentic display of students' knowledge of the water cycle and the processes that it includes. Students will also be required to give examples of how the water cycle takes place in the community around them. The advantages of this assessment is that it relates directly with Florida's standards and the curriculum, and that it allows students to describe their real experiences in their own words. Direct correlation also contributes to the validity of this assessment. The second performance assessment will be to design a family preparedness plan and identify the reasoning for having such a plan. Students will be responsible for attending to a rubric and including components of a set list of information. Students should be able to justify why they have included this information. The third performance assessment will be to create a trifold board displaying a science experiment that properly demonstrates knowledge of the scientific process and proper use of scientific inquiry. Students will also present their board to the class and explain their findings. The first performance-based assessment is one of process. The second is one of product. The third is one of both product and process. These assessments may be time-consuming and require more involvement than you are used to. Be assured that I am here to provide parents with all of the resources you may need. These assessments are valuable in the way that they provide a variety of means for the child to demonstrate competence. These are structured performance assessments that include problem-solving, synthesis, and analysis to meet the standards for reliability and validity required of tests.